Locked out of your Roblox settings because of parental controls? Lost the PIN and don't know what to do? Here's how to fix it, step by step. Hey, I get it. You set a PIN and now you can't change privacy, chat, or security settings. Bad news, you can't reset it yourself. Good news, Roblox support can help if you follow the right steps. On your browser, go to roblox.com/support. This is where you'll submit a request to recover access. Enter your email, username, and select your device. For issue details, choose category, account, hacked, or can't log in. Type of help, account PIN. In the description box, explain that you've forgotten the PIN and need help disabling parental controls. Be clear, respectful, and include the parent or guardian's email if needed. After submitting, Roblox support will verify your identity, especially if it's a child's account. They may ask for proof, so stay ready to reply. And that's how to disable parental controls on Roblox without the PIN. Like and follow for more Roblox help, and drop a comment if you need a tutorial on something else. See you next time.